Okay, what's going on here is we are taking apart an air handler which goes in the attic with very limited space. There's an area about 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet what we have to work with this big thing that needs to go up in the attic. This is Jordan Harford, he's helping. That's Job. That's Brandon, Kyle. Everybody's helping with this. This is my personal air conditioner. My AC went out. That's the owner of the company, Don Wade. That's our pizza guy. Can I put you on the internet? Can I put you on our website, Job? Job? Okay. So we're 1:37 into this, and he's almost got the whole thing disassembled.
This is a song back in my day. Back in your day. Yeah. When was that? Yesterday? I was doing 2 years. Was that like 8 seconds prison?
This is a big air handler. You can see it's almost as tall as Job. He takes it apart piece by piece. We have some in the kitchen. Boys are hungry. So what was about 5 feet high is now nothing.
There it is.
And there it is. Job?